Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess on piano. First, understand that this creative approach redefines the traditional game. You will use your piano keys to represent the 64 squares of a standard chessboard. This unique method allows for a completely new sensory experience, blending strategy with musicality. It's a fun and innovative way to engage with both your instrument and the timeless game of chess, offering a fresh perspective on familiar elements. To set up your piano chessboard, begin by assigning each of the 64 chess squares to a unique piano key. A common method involves using the middle 4 or 5 octaves for the main board. For instance, C1 could be a 1, D1 could be B1, and so on. You might use the white keys for the primary squares and black keys for indicating piece captures or special moves. This systematic mapping ensures every square has a distinct musical representation. Executing moves on your piano chessboard is straightforward. When you want to move a piece, first press the piano key corresponding to its current square. Immediately after, press the key for its intended destination square. For example, moving a pawn from E2 to E4 would involve pressing the E2 key, then the E4 key. If a capture occurs, you could press the captured piece's key along with the destination key, creating a unique sound effect. You can elevate your piano chess experience with several enhancements. Consider assigning unique sound effects for significant game events, such as a check, checkmate, or castling. For instance, a dramatic chord could signify checkmate. You might also use different instrument voices on your digital piano to represent different pieces, like a trumpet for the king or a flute for the queen. Playing with a friend, each using a designated section of the keyboard, adds a competitive and collaborative dimension.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.